Hello students, today we are discussing the topic of the antibiotics. As the name indicate that anti means against, biotics mean living system. Example, organism. So the definition is antibiotic is an antibiotic substance is that substance which is produced by the microorganism which has capacity of inhibiting the growth or kill the microorganisms. एंटीबायोटिक्स वो सब्सटेंस है जो क्या करते हैं, जो प्रोड्यूस होते हैं माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म से ही प्रोड्यूस होते हैं और वो क्या करते हैं माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म की ग्रोथ को या तो रोक देते हैं या उसको मार देते हैं. दैट सब्सटेंसेस आर कॉल्ड एज द एंटीबायोटिक्स. नेक्स्ट इज द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ द एंटीबायोटिक्स. First classification is the beta-lactam antibiotics. Example is the penicillin, cephalosporin, monobactam, carbapenem. Second classification is the aminoglycosides. Example is the streptomycin, neomycin and kanamycin. Third classification is the tetracyclines. Example is the tetracycline, oxytetracycline, chlortetracycline or minocycline. Fourth classification is the macrolides. Example is the erythromycin, clarithromycin and azithromycin. Next classification is the lincomycins. Examples lincomycin hydrochloride, clindamycin hydrochloride. Sixth classification is the polypeptide. Example is the gramicidin USP, bacteriostrasin USP. Last classification is the miscellaneous. Example is the chloramphenicol and clindamycin. These are the classification of the antibiotics. One by one we discuss the classification. First classification is the beta-lactam antibiotics. Antibiotics containing the beta-lactam. Beta-lactam, what is the beta-lactam ring? Which have 4-membered ring and amide group is present in this ring. That is dominant class of the agents currently used for the bacterial infection. Important part is the beta-lactam antibiotics are the broad class of the antibiotics. Structure having the beta-lactam ring with the heteroatom structure consisting the cyclic amide with the 3 carbon and 1 nitrogen. This one is the ring of the beta-lactam ring, which have 4-membered ring and 1 amide group is attached. It inhibits the gram-positive and gram-negative bacterial by interfering with the bacterial cell wall synthesis. It is also called as a broad-spectrum antibiotics because it kills the gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Beta-lactam compounds further classify the beta-lactam compound classification. First classification is the saturated 5-membered ring. This one is the beta-lactam ring and it is fused with the 5-membered ring. Saturated means it has no double bond present. A name is the pinum and the example is the second example is the carbapenem in which sulfur is not present in this ring. 5-membered ring, no sulfur is present. The difference between the pinum and the carbapenem is that the sulfur is present in the pinum ring, no sulfur is present in the carbapenem. Second is the classification is the unsaturated 5-membered ring. First is the pinum in which double bond is present in the 5-membered ring. Beta-lactam ring is attached with the 5-membered ring and the double bond is present. Carbapenem is the 4-membered ring is attached with the 5-membered ring but no sulfur is present. The basic difference between the pinum and the carbapenem is that sulfur is present in the pinum and no sulfur is present in the carbapenem. Next classification is the unsaturated 6-membered ring. For example is the CFM in which 6-membered ring is present. Unsaturated means double bond is present in the 6-membered ring. CPAM and the carmazepam is difference is that the sulfur is present in the CPAM and sulfur is not present in the 6-membered ring of the carbazepam. Fourth classification is the beta-lactam ring not fused with any ring. मतलब कोई भी 4-lactam ring के साथ कोई भी रिंग जो है साथ में अटैच नहीं होगी, फ्यूज नहीं होगी. Next is the beta lactam ring can be classified according to this first classification is the penicillin. Penicillin is further divided into the natural penicillin and the amino penicillin. Example of the natural penicillin is penicillin G and penicillin V. Amino penicillin example of the amino penicillin is the amoxicillin and the ampicillin. Penicillin can be classified into further two parts. First is the penicillinase resistant and the adipseudomonas penicillin. Example is the methicillin, oxacillin, neficillin, cloxacillin, and example the adipseudomonal carbamazepine and piperacillin. Second classification is the cephalosporin. Cephalosporin further classified into the 5 generation. First generation is the cephalosporin, cefazolin, cephalexin, cefatroxin. Second generation is the cefoxitin, cefuroxime. Third generation is the cefotaxime, cefoxime. Fourth generation is the cefopin, and the fifth generation is the ceftazolin. Third classification is the carbapenems. Example is the imipenems and the meropenems. Next classification is the monobactam, and the example is the azrinone. That is the classification of the beta lactam rings.